One Don Gang trial, Blackman hoped to avoid prosecution. City Puss extorted businesses while behind bars, says witness. Adjourned abruptly following signal from state witness. Another secret recording heard on Friday in the home circuit court revealed that the alleged leader of the One Don Gang, Andre Blackman Bryan, was hoping that he would avoid prosecution under the anti-gang legislation. In the recording, Mr. Bryan and the former Don turned state witness in the One Don Gang trial discussed a former member of the Klansman gang who became a state witness against Esha Miller. Bryan is then heard expressing the view that he, Blackman, would escape being prosecuted for being involved in a criminal network, as the allegations against him were in relation to incidents that occurred years before the passage of the anti-gang legislation. Mr. Bryan said, "And a 2014 the law come in soon. Nothing before 2014 cannot be used against me." The state witness responded, "Can't use against ya, me understand. Good day my wonderful people, it's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe." In another secret recording, City Puss, who is also a defendant in the trial, is heard accusing the lone female accused, Stephanie Christie, of being an informer. Meanwhile, the former Don turned state witness told the court how Stephanie Christie supplied a cop assigned to the Spanish Town police station with information about disloyal members of the One Don Gang whom she wanted removed. However, the witness insisted that the police officer was not corrupt. Responding to Chief Justice Brian Sykes as to how he came by the information, the witness said Miss Christie told him that she was cleaning up Top Banks, a community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, in preparation for the return of Andre Bryan when he is released from police custody. Among the gangsters the witness said Miss Christie wanted to remove was Lamar Simpson, otherwise called Sick Header Brains. He is one of the 33 defendants on trial. According to the witness, Mr. Simpson refused to hand over extortion money he collected. The former Don turned state witness on Thursday alleged in the home circuit court that a defendant in the One Don Gang trial extorted shop operators in Lauriston, St. Catherine while he was behind bars. The defendant, who is known by the alias City Puss, reportedly collected $5,000 weekly. During the afternoon sitting, the witness, while explaining some of the jargon the alleged gang members used, said City Puss is also known by the alias Lucifer. The witness disclosed that City Puss used the Lucifer alias when he collected extortion money. Earlier, the court heard more than an hour of conversations among the alleged gang members that were secretly recording by the state witness. The One Don Gang trial came to an abrupt end on Wednesday following an indication from the prosecution's second witness while listening to one of the secretly recorded conversations among alleged members of the criminal enterprise. However, members of the media were asked not to report on the witness's indication. Prior to the adjournment, the former Don turned state witness identified the voice of one of the 33 defendants in the recording but said he was unable to clearly hear the audio which was obtained in 2019. Responding to Chief Justice Brian Sykes on whether he could hear clearly, he said, "Your Honor, the person is Puss, City." Earlier in the trial, the witness testified that he used 3 cellular phones to record conversations among alleged members of the One Don Gang. During Wednesday's proceedings, the witness, who appeared via video link, addressed the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice then ordered a 15-minute break for discussion with the prosecution and the defense. During the break, a number of the defendants including the lone female accused, Stephanie Christie, scanned through a document. Some of the other defendants spoke among themselves. When the proceedings resumed, Justice Sykes told the court that he would adjourn the trial and transform the room into his chambers to facilitate what he described as a case management conference as a result of the witness's indication. The trial was adjourned until Thursday. Earlier in the trial, the former Don told the court that he volunteered to testify against the alleged members of the gang and began working with the police in 2018.